Wouldn't you know that has gotten me into bed more times than I would care to admit it? I want to say it's mostly because he makes me laugh so much, but damn. Sometimes I see a gorilla and I'm like, wow, he's pretty handsome. 19. Being able to make a good Excel spreadsheet. 20. When guys are reversing the car, they put one hand on the back of the passenger seat to look back better. It makes me vulnerable. 21. For some unknown reason I'm attracted to people who are left-handed. 22. When someone's multilingual and switches back and forth between languages in a conversation. 23. Glasses on men. Specifically a pair of black bold-rimmed Clark Kent-style glasses will do it for me every time. No idea why. 24. I am only here looking for validation, LOL.